Welcome to KK Marks. So here we are with our actual flat with all the configurations installed with a perspective what we are going to give you in the actual final flat. So here we are at the 649 carpet area 2 BHK apartment. So let's start with the entrance area. Here you will have a wooden door frame with laminated doors, and all the locks and doors fittings will be of make Europa. The size of the living area is 15.7 by 9.10. It will have an attached terrace. The best part is every flat is going to have a terrace to its living as well as to the bedroom area. The terrace dimension is of 7.10 by 7.9. The entire construction has been done in red bricks with internal and outer both sides with sand finished plasters. So we are moving out to the kitchen area. Here is our kitchen. The dimension of the kitchen will be of 10.8 by 7.10. The tiles what you are seeing is of make Somany, which will be given till the ceiling level. You will be having two tap points in the kitchen sink. One will be utilized for your regular usage and one will be used for your drinking purpose. With all the fittings and electrical provisions which are required, like exhaust fan, water purifier, separate connections for oven and mixer, and one power connection for refrigerator. So the kitchen will have its dry terrace. The dry terrace will be of dimension 4.5 by 3.11. Moving forward, we are coming to the common toilet space. All the fittings, accessories and the tiles that you are seeing in this entire bathroom area are the actual ones that we are going to give you in your finished flat. All the tap fittings are of Jaguar make, all the tiles are of the Somany make, and sanitary fittings are same of the Somany makes. The common washroom will be of space size 6.11 by 3.11. You have common washroom space, wash basin space. So best part is we are giving tiles from bottom till the ceiling level. So you won't need to add some extra tiles for your wash basin area. That would be an add-on thing for you. This is your master bedroom. Master bedroom is of size 10.8 by 9.10, to which it will have an attached washroom. Again, with all same fittings and accessories that we are seeing in this video. All the bedroom space will be having a basic POP work done in it in the ceiling area. This is the master bedroom ceiling space. It will be having the same POP finished ceiling. So we'll move out to the common washroom or common bed or a second bed. The second bed is of dimension 10.4 by 9.10. So here it will have attached again one more terrace. The terrace dimension is 7.10 by 6.11. The finishing of the terrace space the tiles, the SS railings and glass are actual what we are going to give you in the finished flats. So the total carpet area of the flat what we are seeing right now is of 649 square feet. One more thing which I forgot to tell you, yes, this one. There will be a POP finished ceiling wall, ceiling area in your living as well. This is an add-on feature that we are going to give for every flat. So if you are going for a 2 BHK apartment, you will be having a POP finished ceiling walls in your living as well as in both bedroom areas. If you are going for a 1 BHK apartment, same, it will be having in a living and in one bedroom area. So all the directions are done as per the vastus. Right now we are in this flat in the evening time, so you might be seeing the sunset in front of me. So it's the west side and this is the east side. So all the flats are of vastu compellent. All the entrances are east and west side, and to the connecting to the vastu, we have made sure that we give you all the door frames in complete wooden door frames. So this is a complete wooden door frame which is very much required as per vastu. So this is an add-on thing that we are going to give you. Same is going to happen in both the bedroom door frames. It will be also having a wooden door frame, not in the ply finished. Because recently you must be seeing in everywhere that door frames are being done in plies, which are not much as per the vastu. But woodens are most preferred as per the vastu consultants. So we are giving the same things. So coming to the floor area, the tiles what we are providing right now are the bigger ones in the living space and in the kitchen area. These are of 32 inch by 32 inch in a 2.5 by 2.5, and in the bedrooms the same tiles will continue in little smaller space of 24 inch by 24 inch, that is 2 by 2. The same you will be seeing in both the bedrooms. I wish you are very much aware about the flat and hope you have liked it. If you have any queries, please contact our salesperson. They will help you to solve all your queries. Thank you.